Jai Hind everyone. Today we are starting one more SSB session that is called Lecturate Practice. So without wasting time, let's start today Lecturate Practice. The heading of lecture is bricks. फर्स्टली क्या है मैंने आपको बताया कि फर्स्टली हमने कोटेशन से स्टार्ट करनी है, उसके बाद सोल्यूटेशन, उसके बाद मेन जो कंटेंट है उस पर, और उसके बाद कंक्लूजन। इससे क्या होता है, हमारा जो लेक्चर है काफी इफेक्टिव होता है। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट। BRICS countries are the bricks building the future of the global economy. Good morning, GTO sir and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak BRICS. What is BRICS? BRICS is a group of important developing countries that work together for economic growth, development, trade, global cooperation, and fair world system. BRICS originally means Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. The main aim is BRICS is eco-cooperation, development support, creating a multipolar world, sustainable development. In 2001, the BRICS word first time used by economist Jim O'Neill. In 2006, BRICS started regular meeting, and the effect of these meetings, South Africa joined 2010 the member of BRIC and became this name BRICS. 2012, BRICS officially demanded reform in IMF and World Bank. In 2023, 6 countries invited UAE, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Ethiopia, Egypt, and Argentina. In 2024, 4 countries full members like Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, and UAE. The effective of BRICS is all over the world, and January 2025, Indonesia also become a full member of BRICS. In 2026, this time the 11 member of BRICS countries fully members. And also talk about the economy of the BRICS countries. The total contribution of GDP in world 41% in world alone. China contribution total 19% in GDP in world. Coming to the population, 50% of the population of world BRICS country contribution. That show the power of BRICS countries. Also, the 18th BRICS Summit 2026 hosted by India. It is the very effective and show the power of India in world. In 2026, China, Russia, and Iran also conducted a joint naval exercise that show the collaboration of BRICS countries and effective all the whole world and whole world. It makes cross-border payment faster and to reduce dependency on the US dollar, because BRICS country also launched their own currency. Some challenges related to BRICS, that is called political difference among members. Secondly, different economic interests, for tension with Western countries on currency and trade system. And also India doing naval exercise time to time, Russia, that show the power of BRICS countries and very important role in India in BRICS members. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for your upcoming SSB. Jai Hind. Coming to the conclusion, BRICS is emerging as a powerful platform for cooperation among developing nations, promoting economic growth, financial stability, and a more balanced global order.